Welcome to RV Eats. I'm getting ready to cook for the crew. I'm gonna make a grilled corn and caramelized onion dip to start off things. First, I gotta get out my magma pots and pans. This is 7 pieces right here. This is as big as the footprint is, and this is how it rolls down the road. Let me show you. And I need this top pan. It's got a removable handle. And that's going to be going on my induction burner right here. Got a lid, you got a second lid, you got a saucepan, and then the big old soup pan. I'm making beef stroganoff later in that one. But isn't that cool? 7 pieces, all fits together like that. First, I'm going to get some corn on the grill. We were in Jersey and I got some sweet Jersey corn. Wait till you see this. I shucked all of them. I left the stem on because you're going to see it's easy for me to turn them. I just want to get a nice char on all of them. Nothing like sweet Jersey corn. I'm sorry, Nebraska. Your corn's great too. These are the onions that I chopped up inside real thin with some of the garlic that I smashed. Because again, I want it to melt in the dish. The sweet thing about these magma pans is that they can cook on induction and on gas. I love them. This is an induction burner by Equator, and I'm gonna get some olive oil in the pan. I only cook with olive oil and butter. That's all I need, no sprays. You get that pan nice and hot, and you can see that the olive oil is already rippling. This burner heats up really fast. Listen to that sizzle.
Smells delicious over here, babe.
And then I'm going to sprinkle it with a little salt and pepper. This is sea salt. You can go a little liberal with the salt because those are just going to cook down, and the salt's going to help bring out that sweetness and the moisture. And then just some cracked black pepper. That's really all you need in this for right now. Give it another. I'm going to put that lid on here and let them sweat down. All right, I'm checking on the corn. Oh yeah, see? Oh, you're getting some charred marks on there, and that silk is burning off. It's just going to give it a nice smoky. That's all I'm going for. I'm not looking to cook this all the way through. Now I'm going to chop up some fresh dill in this dip. Just so you know, I'm totally making up this recipe as I go along. I was inspired by the Jersey corn, and I didn't want to just eat corn on the cob because it gets in your teeth. But I had a lot of sweet onions too that I needed to use up. I had some fresh dill from chicken salad that I made earlier in the week that I had to use up. So I'm kind of just making this up on the fly. Next, I'm going to zest the lemon. That's going to add a lot of brightness to this, even though the white wine's going to contribute, but the lemon will be really nice. And when you're zesting lemon, just get the yellow parts off. You don't want the white under there, very bitter. Unless you're a sourpuss, and then you can do whatever you want. Just about a half a lemon in there. The next thing I'm going to add in is the dill pickle mustard that we found in Cook Forest at the Pickle Barrel. And I'm going to add it in there. Again, I'm making this up as we go along, but I can guarantee you it's going to be good. I'm adding just about a tablespoon of this. It's layers and layers of flavor that are going in this thing. And I love having my outdoor kitchen. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of mayonnaise to this. It's going to make it a little bit thinner than just the cream cheese. We are going to cook off the cream cheese in a minute when those onions get nice. But I like the avocado mayonnaise. It's got about 4 ingredients. No seed oils and a great taste. Again, you just saw a couple of heaping teaspoons, plastic teaspoons of mayonnaise. Again, it's just going to keep it a little thinner so you can dip. I'm mixing that up. Once the onions get ready, we're going to put the cream cheese in and then cut the corn off. Wait until you see this. Okay, now I'm getting the wine. Just gonna put this in there for a little bit. Listen to that. That sounds like flavor right there. You want the alcohol to evaporate, the flavors and the sugars in the white wine to condense. So we're gonna leave the lid off and let that cook down. Next, we're gonna cut the corn off that stalk. It smells so nice and charred. It's gonna be fantastic in this. The stem still on the corn makes this so much easier. It doesn't get hot. You can hold the corn. You could even do this over a bowl so you're not, you know, sharing the corn with the raccoons later on at camp. Okay, I'm going to do that with the other 3. Now I'm going to take the corn that I just got off the cob and I'm going in the skillet with it. Going to heat it all up with the onions and the white wine and the salt and pepper. Thing I love about RVing is all the local produce, all the local cultures, the different foods that you get that you don't get at home.
I'm getting hungry just smelling all that.
Now I have a softened block of cream cheese going in, and this is a local cream cheese again, and we're here in Pennsylvania. I'm super excited that everything has come together with local ingredients, including the Pennsylvania wine. This has really come together. The cream cheese is nice and melted. Everything's cooked down. Going off heat here, and I'm going to add the mayonnaise, the dill pickle, mustard, the dill, and the lemon all in here. Don't waste a bit. Okay. And that's going to get all mixed together. Oh my gosh, that dill is going to make this so fresh. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably just serve it out of this. I'm going to put this on the table. Take the handle off, which is great because Magma has the removable handles. And I'm going to leave it in this. Okay. And that's how I'm going to serve it. Hey, Kev, you want to taste?
I'm ready.
I'm going to dress it up just a little bit. Look how pretty that is. And I don't like just pretty things. It's got to be tasty. You ready?
Ready.
Get a little bit of caramelized onion, some of that sweet corn. Don't do it. Let's eat together.
Okay.
Hold on, hold on. Okay, ready?
Ready. Going all the way in.
Cheers.
You are unbelievable. The sweet corn, the onions. You don't realize, I'm not a big onion guy, but you don't even taste the onion.
Holy crap. And that sweet corn just pops in
I'll
everybody.
take one more just to check to make sure the crew's gonna like it.
I know, I need quality control right here. And like you said, you don't even know that the onions are in it.
Wait till Fly Guy, who doesn't eat onions, wait till he tastes this.
All right, now I'm moving on to dinner.